Good morning, neighbors. Happy Valentine's Day, and also welcome back to your neighborhood. I have a special request, you guys, on this Valentine's Day that I need for my neighbors. Being that we are neighbors, right? What do you guys think about a watch party for Valentine's Day? A live watch party, huh? What y'all think? You ask, what is this watch party, Golden? Well, let me tell you. It is making your own Diva Wreath. I want to do a live watch party, and I was hoping that my neighbors could come in and support, as well as make their own Diva Wreath along with me. Okay. Now, I am making a St. Patrick's Day Diva Wreath. Now, you guys can make any type of Diva Wreath you choose. These are the materials that you would need. You would need your cake circle that you can get from Walmart, maybe like $1.98, depending on the size. Okay? You would need your cutout face or head. And I use cardboard because y'all know I'm frugal. And you also would need some twist ties. These little things that you can get from Dollar Tree. Okay? And y'all, everything that I have here is on a budget. Okay? So you don't have to go out and spend all types of money trying to get the best diva head. Okay? Because no matter what you put it on, it's going to turn out beautiful anyway. Okay? And with that, y'all, get a reform of your choice. You can get a 14-inch or you can go all the way down and get an 8-inch. And that Diva Wreath still will be nice. But you can find these reforms at Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and Family Dollar. Okay? So, with that limited, and it is cheap. Okay? If you choose, you could cut out your own circle out of cardboard like I first done. Okay? You can also cut out your head with cardboard. That is frugal. So, y'all, what y'all think? Do y'all actually want to do this watch party with me? If so, if I can get 55 people to come in and comment and say, yes, do this watch party that y'all will be watching along with me, or doing your own diva head, then I will come in at 6 o'clock and we will get it popping and spilling all this gossip. And when I say gossip, I'm talking about y'all. We spilling tea about our business, okay? Because y'all, I know you got a business. I know you got a channel that you may want to promote. You got a business that you may want to promote. This is the time that you could come in and say, hey, I need you guys to subscribe to my channel. I need you guys to go to my store. I need you guys, y'all, promotion. Okay? So if I could get a number amount of people to come in so I won't feel like I'm doing my Diva Wreath by myself, then come on in and let's talk business. Let's spill the tea. Okay? And with that, again, if I do get enough, we will start at 6 o'clock. This evening, okay? Or this evening. And as the old people used to say back in the day, this evening, okay? Now, with that, y'all, stay blessed, stay faithful, and stay humble, okay? And if you're going to do anything for anybody, make sure you do it from the heart, okay? And I am going to say, y'all, if y'all got neighbors that are creative, share the video with these neighbors. Thumbs the video up. Get me to them 55 likes so I can do this live tutorial, okay? And with that, you guys, I'm going to say peace. Okay, neighbors, I do believe I forgot to tell you guys, and I didn't want y'all to be confused. Even though I showed y'all the material that we needed, make sure you get your hair for your diva head, okay? That can be flowers, that can be balls, that can be whatever you choose to make her hair out of. Make sure you get your headscarf, okay? Those are the things that I forgot to tell you guys. of part of your material that you will need. And you get as much or as less. If you think your diva head is small, then you get less. If it's big, then you know you're going to need more products, such as the flowers or the balls or whatever you choose to make her hair is. Okay? And with that, that will be that. Bye.